Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, messages, it doesn't really matter where, just have it on the screen. And here basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings which are in this panel. If you cannot find them here, no worries, 3 dots icon, tap on got it, and you will find it right here. So you can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this first panel to have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. As you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose all available languages. So as you can see, this list is so wide, it's pretty impressive. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to use and tap on it. I will pick Arabic since it is a graphical language. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on it. Here you've got the keyboard types. Sometimes you will have only one, sometimes even 5, so you can pick the one you like the most and simply tap on done. As you can see, the Arabic language has been applied, so we can go back to the keyboard and check. And actually there is one difference, which is right here. It is a globe icon. It was not available before. So currently I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Tap on it again and again, English. As you can see, also on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so that's quite useful if you've got for example 2 languages which keyboards are pretty the same or very similar. So basically that's all. This is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove the language from this list. So just go back to the settings, tap on the languages, and here let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so simply go back, and here as you can see, we do not have the globe icon. What's more, the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.